Imagine you're standing atop Mount Flåm, the crisp mountain air invigorating your senses as you gaze out over the sprawling cityscape below. The panoramic views are simply mesmerizing, offering a glimpse into Bergen's rich tapestry of history and natural beauty. We're giving away an exclusive air ticket to Bergen to one lucky subscriber of our channel. To enter the contest, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Watch the video in its entirety to uncover the hidden keyword hidden somewhere within the depths of our exploration. Once you've found the secret keyword, drop it in the comments section below the video. Don't worry, we'll give you a subtle hint to help you on your quest. Share the video with your friends and family, spreading the joy of discovery far and wide. That's it! By completing these steps, you'll not only be in the running to win an incredible economy air ticket to Bergen, but you'll also be joining us on our mission to inspire others to embark on their own epic journeys. And let's not forget about Bergen's bustling harbour, a hub of activity where old meets new in a seamless blend of tradition and modernity. From leisurely boat cruises to thrilling water sports, there's no shortage of excitement to be found along the city's picturesque waterfront. But perhaps Bergen's greatest allure lies in its role as the gateway to some of the world's most iconic fjords. Just imagine sailing through the dramatic landscapes of the Hardangerfjord or exploring the enchanting village of Flåm, nestled deep within the UNESCO-listed Nærøyfjord. These are experiences that will stay with you long after you've bid farewell to this captivating city. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone seeking adventure off the beaten path, Norway's second largest city, Bergen certainly has something special in store for you. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and unforgettable experiences that await in this Nordic gem. Get ready to refresh your sense of wonder and embark on the ultimate guide to Bergen Norway. Let's dive in. In this guide, we'll explore 10 top things to do in Bergen that will make your visit an unforgettable experience. Explore Bergen Wharf. Bergen Wharf, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the heart of Bergen. It's a historic area known for its colorful wooden buildings along the waterfront. Spend a delightful day wandering through narrow streets filled with charming shops, cozy cafes, and museums. These old wooden buildings are the last remnants of the town's past popularity across Northern Europe. Bergen offers great photo opportunities with its colorful houses, scenic harbor, and stunning mountains in the background. Ride the Flåm funicular. For the best view of Bergen, you can hop on the Flåm funicular to Mount Flåm. It's just a 6-minute ride to reach the top of the mountain, where you'll be treated to stunning views of the city, fjords, and nearby islands. So don't forget your camera. Once you're at the summit, you can take a leisurely stroll along the hiking trails, enjoy outdoor activities, or grab a bite to eat at the mountaintop cafe while soaking in the amazing views. It's the perfect getaway from the city's hustle and bustle, and riding the Flåm funicular is one of the most popular tourist activities in Bergen for good reason. Visit the fish market. Fisk it or get. Bergen's fish market is one of Norway's most famous outdoor markets, dating back to the 1200s. Situated in the heart of Bergen, it's a lively spot filled with seafood vendors, restaurants, and produce stalls. Here, you can try fresh seafood served in traditional Norwegian dishes like fish soup and fish cakes. It's a must-visit for seafood enthusiasts looking to experience Bergen's culinary scene. While the indoor market is open year-round, the outdoor section operates during the summer months. Discover Bergen's Aquarium. Bergen Aquarium is a must-see attraction in Norway, offering a thrilling chance to discover the country's marine life. It's the biggest aquarium in Norway and a top spot in Bergen, featuring exhibits with fish, penguins, seals, sea lions, crocodiles, and snakes. When you visit Bergen Aquarium, you can buy your ticket online or at the door, though it's best to get it in advance, especially during the busy summer season. The aquarium also has a cinema, hosts birthday parties, and has a dining room where you can enjoy views of the fish. It's definitely worth a visit during your trip to this fascinating city. Stroll through Bergen's parks. Bergen has lovely parks and green areas, perfect for a relaxing stroll during your sightseeing adventures. It's one of the best and most peaceful things to do in Bergen, giving you a refreshing nature break. For a quick breather in the city centre, check out Byparken, Bergen's oldest park. You can admire the pond, statues and colourful gardens there. Nygaardsparken, the largest park in Bergen, is another great option. Located near the University of Bergen, it features a beautiful lake and lush greenery. Tour Troldhaugen, Edvard Grieg Museum. Troldhaugen Edvard Grieg Museum is a must-see attraction in Bergen, drawing tourists from all over. It's the former home of the famous Norwegian composer, Edvard Grieg. You can explore his villa, his composing hut by the lake, and a museum dedicated to his life and work. The peaceful setting, with Lake Nordis nearby, adds to the appeal of this cultural treasure. If you're in Norway during the summer, don't miss the chance to attend one of the daily concerts held here. It's a fantastic experience for Grieg fans and music enthusiasts alike. Discover Bergenhus Fortress. Dating back to the 13th century, Bergenhus Fortress is a historic landmark that used to be a royal residence. It's one of Norway's oldest stone fortifications and a fascinating place to visit in Bergen. You can explore medieval architecture and learn about the city's military history at the attached museum. Entry to Bergenhus Fortress is usually free, but there might be a charge for special events like concerts. It's a top attraction in Bergen, drawing in thousands of tourists each year who want to experience the city's rich history firsthand. Take a breathtaking fjord cruise. Bergen serves as the starting point for exploring some of Norway's most breathtaking fjords, like Sognefjord and Hardangerfjord. A fjord cruise from Bergen is a fantastic way to witness the stunning natural beauty of these deep valleys carved by glaciers. These cruises often include stops in charming coastal villages and opportunities for hiking and wildlife spotting. If you're looking for something to do in Bergen and have a few hours to spare, we highly recommend a fjord cruise as an incredible way to explore the city. Cruise to Bergen by air. Hike in the surrounding mountains. The mountains around Bergen are a paradise for hikers. Trails like the Vidden Trail, Mount Ulriken, and Mount Rundemanen offer different levels of difficulty and stunning views of the city, fjords, and North Sea. For nature lovers, hiking in Bergen's mountains is a top activity. It's perfect for a sunny morning or afternoon adventure. You can even pair it with one of Bergen's famous fjord cruises for a perfect mix of relaxation and activity during your trip. Indulge in Bergen's local cuisine. No visit to Bergen is complete without savoring the local Norwegian dishes. In Bergen, you're in the perfect place to sample some traditional Norwegian food, as this former UNESCO city of gastronomy is home to many world-class restaurants and talented chefs. Some Bergen specialties to try include raspboller, potato dumplings, klippfisk, dried and salted cod, and fårikål, mutton stew. Pair your meal with aquavit or a local craft beer for an authentic culinary experience. Thanks for joining us on this ultimate guide to Bergen, Norway. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the top things to do and see in this stunning city. From exploring historic landmarks to indulging in local cuisine and immersing yourself in breathtaking natural beauty, Bergen has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Until next time, happy travels!